Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're planting some blueberries today, and this is a fantastic variety. Large, juicy fruit. Okay, it takes a couple of years to settle down to fruiting properly. It's a variety called Coral Bells Blue. Reliable, strong growing blueberry that's quite happy in a pot or container or out in open ground like we're doing here. Now we're going to let it grow roughly about 1 metre high by about 1 metre across. We can prune it to keep it nice and tidy. It'll have white lily of the valley like flowers in springtime, and this variety has got fantastic red autumn leaves. You can plant it in your ornamental beds and borders to give white flowers in spring, red leaves in autumn, and of course lots of delicious blueberries. We dug out a decent sized planting hole here. We're going to pour a little bit of Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom. Super Thrive is an excellent fertilizer for all your planting. So you're planting perennials, roses, trees, shrubs, hedging. It reduces transplant shock, builds plant vigour, and is slowly released for the plant. So we're going to mix in that Super Thrive at the bottom. We're using the spat today. Spat's a great tool. A little bit of Swellwell compost just to go in at the bottom. Lots of slow release fertilizer in the Swellwell compost as well. And it's got a wetting agent in there. When things dry out in the summertime, it'll hold a little bit more moisture. So out comes our blueberry out of his pot. Really strong, great strong stems on this plant. I say you can grow it in a pot or container or out in open ground. So Coral Bells Blue. Loosen the roots a little bit, settle it in, and then a mixture of some compost and soil back in around again. Might need a couple of little canes just for the first little while, just to support it, and just to hold it roughly in place. And we're going to let it grow roughly about 1.5 metres high and about a metre wide, and just fill out this area and won't be in the way in our veg garden. So that's a variety, that's a really excellent variety, reliable crops and delicious fruit. So that's blueberry Coral Bells Blue. Can be planted from now. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.